Delicious coffee custard recipe, easy dessert recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a decadent coffee custard that's perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. It's creamy, rich, and infused with the bold flavor of coffee. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Instructions. Now, let's get started. In a saucepan, pour in the milk and heat it over medium heat until it's warm but not boiling. While the milk is heating up, in a separate bowl, whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and instant coffee powder until well combined. Once the milk is warm, slowly pour it into the bowl with the dry ingredients, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Now, transfer the mixture back into the saucepan and return it to the stove over medium heat. Cook, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens and coats the back of a spoon. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the egg yolks. Then, gradually whisk in a small amount of the hot milk mixture to temper the eggs. Once tempered, pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the milk mixture, stirring constantly. Continue cooking for another minute or two until the custard thickens even more. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract for that extra flavor boost. And there you have it, a delicious coffee custard that's creamy, smooth, and bursting with flavor. You can enjoy it warm or chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours for a refreshing treat. Either way, it's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Thanks for watching. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.